Christina. I'm responsible for finance and operation. Today, we are going to talk about Project Sustainable IKEA, make them aware. Today, we are going to see Deen-Tagala, project management, and Shema Bebrahim, human resources. Hi, hello.
Hello.
Hello. So, what is the objective of this project?
This project is aiming to increase the awareness of the next generation's customers to IKEA's involvement to sustainability.
But IKEA is already popular, so is there a need to do things differently from the next generation customer? So we will hear from Jessica, the secretary and the documentary of this project.
Furniture purchases are often for long tenures and therefore they are improvements. These are big ticket items. Buyers are more likely to shop around for the best deals, focus on price and quality rather than brand loyalty. We're talking about millennials. We gather that more and more next generation buyers are going to turn to the internet to compare products. So what will happen? The e-commerce and online retail will continuously grow in the coming years. This was my report. Back to you, Christina.
Thank you, Jessica. Well, according to a study, millennials make 54% of online purchase in 2016. Moreover, they are expected to accrue more wealth by the year 2020, and they are intended to spend $1.4 trillion to online shopping. IKEA recognize this potential. They know that millennial consumption behavior could make a significant effect on market trends. So, what is IKEA doing now about this?
Well, we don't know for sure, but as we navigated through the website of IKEA, what it already has, we found that there are no adequate features that really grab on the attention of customers. So, for our project, we're grabbing onto the attention of the next generation customers.
And Rochelle, what is Project Sustainable IKEA about?
Well, we investigated the millennials' preferences toward online shopping and the advantage of providing a better experience for the customers to IKEA. We gathered information from interviewing 3 millennials and an expert, and we listed possible improvements IKEA can do with regards to their online website to better satisfy the next generation customers.
Well, and what should IKEA do?
Well, the millennials we interviewed do not exactly know what IKEA is doing about sustainability. Millennials want to know they are involved into something they can be proud of. As a matter of fact, they are a proud generation thinking they can change the world. So why not let them know they are actually involved? Considering this, IKEA should put it out there that they are a sustainable company, instead of just having a button that will redirect users to information about sustainability. Put a short video of it in the homepage. It will make an impression and also a connection to the customers. Another thing, they want to talk in real time, so a live chat will be a very attractive feature for them to visit the website. We view online shopping as we view a physical store. You want your customers to keep coming back, because in store or online, if they will not buy this time, if you get them to come back, you get another chance. In other words, for this project, we treat the website as a marketing medium.
What is the implication of this change to IKEA?
It will only cost IKEA a one-time investment cost of changing the website, estimated to 100,000 euros. Refinement on the warehouse to accommodate possible increase in online orders, and active online customer service.
So what is takeaway?
IKEA will not be only known for its low-cost products, but IKEA will become the sustainable option. This will set IKEA apart from your competitors. Aandacht maakt alles mooier, isn't it? So make it about environment, make it about low-cost emission, and this way it will be ultimately about your customers. Tell them clearly what IKEA is doing for a sustainable life.
Thank you. So this is Project Sustainable IKEA. Make them aware.